Hello everyone, please let me know if you are able to hear me. Hello everyone, please. Please do comment and let me know if you are able to hear me properly. We are trying to check something today, and we can also, discuss a bit. Please do comment and let me know. I hope you are able to watch me on YouTube and Twitch both. Watch me on. Yeah, that was a bit of test. Thanks for commenting there. Thank you. Um, so actually, there is some plan to try and use Twitch as well, twitch.tv. So, uh, if I may request you guys, can you please go to Twitch URL as well and see and let me know if you are able to hear me properly. In the meanwhile, you know, we can use this time to, of course, discuss anything, any questions, any doubts which you have briefly. Um, there are a couple of things which I'm planning to start. So just trying to test few things today so that we can interact more, you know, uh, over a live session. That's the idea. So please let me know, guys. How are you doing? What are you doing today? 26th Jan, a holiday for everyone, um, at least here in India. Is anybody joining us from any other place other than India at this point? Please do comment and let me know. Hello, Mani. Hi, Devraj, Tushar, Manikant, Gautam. How are you guys? Good morning. So, actually, I'm trying to test this this whole this whole Twitch.tv thing along with YouTube. Uh, it is a good platform actually. So just trying to see if we can do it on both. Uh, Please let me know if it is if the voice and video both are coming out clearly. Oh, okay. Most of you are watching parade. Good. Wow. Nice. Oh, okay. So I need to fix few things here. It doesn't allow me to chat. The platform which I'm using, I'm not able to send a message to all of you. I need to fix that part. Um, but I think you guys are able to hear me properly, which is good. And also, you said that you are able to, uh, yep, you are able to listen to me clearly. That is good. Okay. Can one of you please open? Oh, Tushar says, got one more interview cracked after your training. All credit goes to you. Thank you, Tushar. Thanks a lot for giving that comment. And I'm really happy that you are cracking one after another. Uh, you know, uh, though I would have helped a small amount, but then ultimately it is one's own effort which takes the person ahead, and the amount of enthu which you have shown, that's what is bringing all of this to you. So congrats. Um, how about others? What are you guys doing? What are you studying these days, guys? Can you type that in the chat? What are you trying to learn on cloud these days? Um, a lot of you have demanded videos on containers, which is something which I'm planning to bring next. Uh, there were a couple of videos there earlier. Now, container in itself is a big area. I'm just thinking that which part should we cover. Now, given the current scenario uh, where a lot of cloud platforms, I mean cloud vendors like AWS, Azure, etc., all of these people they are giving you a quite managed platform which helps you to go ahead and start using containers in a very easy and simple manner, and you probably need not know all the finest details at the bottom to basically manage your containers. So just trying to think that how much of that part should I cover, or I should go ahead and start with these services of AWS like EKS and ECS directly. So that is something which I'm trying to think. ML and AI in AWS. Well, I've not done much on ML AI, but I'm trying to talk to one of my friends who has done some good work in this, and trying to invite him, you know, to our channel. Let's see if that works out. Okay. Can some of you also visit Twitch URL, please, which is being shown on the screen? And if you could send me a message there in Twitch, it would be great. Please open the URL which is being shown there. Um, Manikant says that I'm Ansible certified and interested in DevOps but don't have experience. I'm 2020 MCA graduate and have less than a year experience. How can I get into DevOps? Um, well, uh, if you are from MCA, I hope that, I mean, if you have done MCA, I hope you also have done some coding. Uh, Becoming DevOps, I mean, getting into a DevOps profile is great, but I strongly suggest that you do some amount of development before that, so that you understand all those development terminologies. Right, you are certified, good. While you are doing MC, you did the certification, very good. But then it is also very important that that you do some real exposure. So, okay, in very simple terms, what you could do is try to set up a development project, which means you try to work on a project. There are a lot of projects available on GitHub or even on AWS website. Go ahead and pick the code. Try to set up all of that, and then try to use DevOps practices or DevOps tools on that, which means set up the repository to keep your code, uh, do some regular edits, try to modify the code, maybe introduce some additional functionality, then run some test cases and get it deployed on them on VMs or on some other services. And while doing all of this, get to learn all the different services which AWS offers. So or it could be any other open source services for that matter. The point is that you should be aware of all those processes with with all these DevOps tools. That's something which you should know. If you know that, then you'd be able to you know talk about the same in some interview. um, One quick request, guys. I'm saying this again. Can some of you please open the Twitch URL which is being shown and give me a message there? I just want to test this part. Really? Can you do that, please? Right. Money is saying playlist for Azure. Yes, Money. That is something which is getting cooked currently. It is getting cooked for a very long time, you would say. But yeah, that is in my list. But trying to do it. Hopefully, you should start seeing Azure videos soon. AWS DevOps services. Yeah. So the couple of things in in the pipeline are Azure containers and DevOps, and of course the other thing which is my area of interest, infrastructure as code. So these are the things which I need to work on and bring it up for you. Okay. Uh, right. If you go to Twitch URL, you should see an option to uh, you should see an option to type some message to me in Twitch. If you can do that, it will be really great. Are you able to see that, guys? Okay, thank you. I got first message on Twitch from Manikant. Thank you, Manikant. Thanks for doing that. Thank you, Mani. Right. Good. Any other questions, doubts which you guys wanted to ask? This was not a planned one. I just wanted to test few things, and we will be doing a more, a proper live session. Hopefully tonight, if that makes sense. We'll probably organize a session tonight, and uh, my request would be if you guys, I have some plans of doing a regular live stream where we would be covering some new topics in a more uh, you know in a slow manner, I would say. So when I say okay, the term I should use is uh, that we try to go through a topic kind of together. you know that's the intention. So we'll do that. And if you would like to attend if you would like to attend such live streams, I would request you to just go to this Twitch URL which I'm showing on the screen, and you can probably just uh, follow my Twitch channel, which is again same twitch.tv/knowledgeindia as it is youtube.com/knowledgeindia. So if you like that, you can do it. Uh, so so that you will be able to follow all of that. Okay. right? DevOps ecosystem must know tools, sir. Rahul, you need to write your question properly. You know, one suggestion or request is there, right? Whenever you are typing a question or a message or a comment, whatever, you know, if you have time, then type it, but type it properly. It is very important to use a formal, complete language. Instead of just doing some short form of writing, that might not be very good thing. So please try to take care of that. All right. Sorry. Must know DevOps tools. Rahul is asking. So, see, in terms of DevOps tools, you need to at minimum uh, know those tools which you use on day-to-day basis. Which means I think I just said this some time back. Right from the um, uh, right from your repository, the place where you put your code, and after that, tool to a tool to go ahead and oh, okay. So here is the thing: for each and every stage of or for each and every stage or for each and every process of your DevOps pipeline, the things which you do in DevOps, there are tools which are there from a particular cloud vendor, and there are also tools which are there from which are there open source, which do not belong to a particular cloud vendor. So it is your choice that whether you go ahead and do something from one particular vendor, or you learn the open source thing. There are additional maintenance activities which you have to do if you are using the open source stuff. For example, if you are using Jenkins, you will also have to additionally worry about Jenkins server, maintaining that a bit. Somebody has to install and set it up. Whereas if you go ahead and use the DevOps tools which are given by AWS, then it becomes a lot more simpler for you because you don't have to manage anything. But then ultimately, it is also a question uh, that what is being used in the market. At least Jenkins is something which is used in the market a lot because people have been using it, for quite some time. And but but what's happening is nowadays people are switching to manage tools more and more. One of the things which enterprises don't want is they don't want to manage unnecessarily any servers. So uh, I mean, if you ask my suggestion, why if you are able to learn these things which are not from a particular cloud vendor, that is great. But in addition to that, if you could also brush your skills around the tools which are there from one cloud vendor, that would be really helpful. See, going ahead, the time is going to be such that every organization would use multiple cloud platforms. It won't be just one. Okay, so there will be multiple cloud platforms, and you should be okay and ready to embrace that. you know so that's what it is. All right, I think we are good with that. So what I'll do is I will close the session now. At this point, what we'll do is we'll try to do a proper planned live stream. I'm thinking to do a live stream tonight, tonight India time, which would be morning time for US guys. So, um, yep, please do follow Twitch channel. The URL is shown here, and we'll try to meet live tonight. Okay, I'll put the time, etc. Um, on YouTube and LinkedIn as well. If you're not connected on LinkedIn, please do connect, guys. Okay. All right. See you then. Take care. Bye bye for now.